Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be going through some ideas about how you can reduce churn connected to your membership website. It's a really important subject. I think I've got some great experience to share with you and some ways of reducing churn. I will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you've got a membership website and you're slowly building your reputation and your student base, and you're getting people to the website and you're getting people to sign up. But there's a problem, and it's called churn. And churn, the word, comes from the world of startups, and especially boot up startups. And what it basically means is that more people are asking for a refund and leaving the membership than are actually signing up. Or a slightly better scenario is that you're getting more people sign up, but you're getting a higher percentage than normal of people requesting a refund, or basically not utilising the course and not promoting it and leaving, not renewing their subscription. Now, you're always going to get churn. You know, some people don't get any value from the course. A lot of people are very enthusiastic, but not prepared to do the work. There's all different reasons why people in the end drop out of a course. And, you know, to some extent, they have learned everything they can from the course and they don't need to renew it. So there's a lot of reasons. But if your churn rate is higher than the norm, you've got a bit of a problem. So how can you rectify this situation? First of all, I've written a really great article that goes into a lot of detail about this, and you'll find the link to that article in the video description. In this particular video, I'm going to go through 2 to 3 of the main things you can do, and there's a lot of other strategies about how you can reduce this, but you'll find that in the article. So number 1, don't overhype the course. Do not, and I know this is difficult because there are so-called gurus out there and they're all over the internet and it's all over YouTube adverts claiming all sorts of stuff, outrageous results from their courses. Don't be one of those. The medium and long term, it will considerably damage your course and your reputation. There's no need for it because these people, they're not into building a long-term reputation. They're about using a lot of advertising money to get suckers in, hit them hard, get between $2,000 and $6,000 plus out of them, don't provide any real value, and then 6 months to 12 months rerun the campaign, get a new load of suckers in to take lighten their wallet. That is their business model. Simple as that. I don't care what they say, that's their business model. You're a legit person and you want to build a legitimate business. Now, to do that, and you don't need to do that, because what you really need, and we covered this in my other videos, is you really need to understand your target audience, your target, your persona, and you need people that have some degree of urgency in taking a course. They have an urgent need to learn, to get the result that is the end result of taking your course. So you need what is known in the startup world, the bootstrap, is product fit. I call it student fit. And then you need urgency to get an end result that you can provide. If you've got that combination, you don't have to offer the world. You really don't. Second thing, have you got an onboarding process? Depending on the price of the course, the higher the price, the more custom one-to-one you're onboarding. But if it's at a lower price, do you have an onboarding sequence of either email or online training that shows them how to utilize the course? Right? Have you thought about that? Do you also do you watch? Are they coming on and utilizing the course materials? If they're not, do you have automative trigger that can send off a series of email that encourage them to actually start the process of learning from the course which they've paid for? That there's a whole host of things you can do around onboarding that will directly reduce the churn rate that you're getting. It's better to be proactive than to deal with disappointment and they just want out. I can tell you that. Another factor is community. Now, community, what do I mean by community? Well, if you have a forum, you have a discussion board, you can utilize Facebook, but eventually it's going to be best that you control these communities, and it's important that you are contributing to these communities, and it will make the whole of your membership and subscription much more sticky and really dramatically reduce churn. It is a more time consuming methodology and you've got to be up for it. And there also is a technical overhead in cost and setup. But if you can do it and you're on the right direction and getting the other things I've outlined, it can be of enormous benefit around reducing churn. I'm going to cut it out now because I don't want this video to be too long. Like I say, got a lot more information in the article. You'll find that in the video description. Give us a thumbs up, folks, if you got value from this video, and think about subscribing to the channel. I'm making more of these videos every week to help you build a great e-learning business in 2024. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.